After a year without an Illinois state budget, social service providers statewide have gone without billions in funding and have cut services. In Chicago, where there were also devastating city budget cuts to mental health, homelessness is rapidly worsening. Tent cities have begun to appear and have been forced under road overpasses, where homeless individuals have faced harassment from police and some residents of neighborhoods who complain of their presence. Yet after months, little has been done by the city government to provide housing for those in need.
And housing out here for anybody that's homeless is not easy, even if you have an income. You have to be on waiting list, and a lot of people be on waiting lists for 10, 12, 20 years.
They put me on the list. I don't know how long it's going to take. I'm going to be out here for a couple of months or a couple of days.
When it comes to getting a roof over your head, they're full. And that's basically the story about the homeless. Their shelter's true enough, but there's not enough room for everybody. It's like first come, first serve.
Where we gonna go? We go out there, and the police are gonna tell us, man, we gotta leave. We ain't got no place to go but here. We keep the place clean.
They're rough. People drive by and stare at us like we're, pardon my French, but shit. And it makes us feel embarrassed in a way, and also makes us want to fight more to get them to understand our situation. We didn't put ourselves out here. Circumstances beyond our control put us out here. There's a lot of abandoned buildings around here where if the mayor and the alderman got together and took some of these abandoned buildings and turned them into apartments for the homeless, that'd be a magnificent job.
I am a student at McCormick, but I'm transferring from McCormick to Argy University for criminal justice. I'm on my third semester, I'm going to try to finish up my third and fourth semester at that school. My struggles when I'm studying is hard when you gotta get your schoolwork. Yeah, it's pretty hard, but you just gotta put your thought and hard work in it.
I'm an epileptic, and so is his wife. She had 3 seizures back to back last night, and I also have a bad heart condition. And I'm on disability, and it's rough. When you're on a fixed income, it's rough. The most I make a year, which I'm on disability, is about $11,000. That's gross. And that's beyond poverty. Where years ago, there used to be low class, poverty level, then the middle class, and then the upper class. But now it's just the upper class, no middle class. The middle class is with the poor too.
The thing is, they need to stop cutting these services and try to support us. Because all y'all doing, you taking food stamps away, you taking Social Security away, you taking people that has income and they can't afford it. But don't take that away, because by the grace of God, when you do something to us, it's hard. Because how we struggling off the little money we get $733, some gets less. But don't do that. Because some people got SSI, some people got SSDI. We need all that, the money that we get. But the mayor and the government is working trying to stop it, but the government is not doing nothing. They trying to cut that off. They already cut the people with disabilities and mental health. We need all that back. Start building that. Because when you don't build that, that's where y'all keep bringing all these people out here.
And another thing, I don't think it's right how there's a higher class, a middle class, and the lowest class. Why is there classes? People are people.
In my 72 years, well, I'll say 60, in my 60 years, I've seen a lot of change in the world, but it's not for the little man. It's for the multimillionaires.
We're not trying to put nobody down. We're trying to bring everybody up for joy and hope and happiness.